Welcome back to my video tutorial series. In this video, I will show you 5 ways in which you can start or open a new drawing in AutoCAD. The first one is to left click on the big A to the upper right. That is here. Left click here. Our next step is to go to New. From New, we can choose either a sheet set, from that we could choose AutoCAD ISO. AutoCAD ISO, this one is in millimeters, and it is also used for a building drawing. Or we could choose AutoCAD. For AutoCAD, the units are in feet and inches. That's one. Next method, that's method number 1. Method number 2 is to left click. It's to press Control N. Hold on Control P, and it brings us back to the same place. Here we go. By the way, this is AutoCAD architecture, which is somewhat different from the regular AutoCAD, but the principle remains the same. The thing about AutoCAD architecture is that it gives you a lot more templates, all right? But to get to where you want, if you're using AutoCAD architecture, you will simply click here twice. Sorry. So we press Control plus N. For this step, we hold on Control E, press N, Control N, Control N. Then we bring it up. Click on AutoCAD templates, left click there. And from here, we can choose AutoCAD ISO or this. You could also choose sheet set. The important thing about these sheet sets is that these are pre-bordered. So you could choose from manufacturing metric, manufacturing imperial, architecture, which would be my choice. It will then take you to the template. No, I don't want to save. Next one is Q new. You could also type QNEW, enter, and it will create a new template. All right, Q new, create a new template. You could also left click on the blank sheet template beside the application or the big A. Left click up here, up by the top, left click on this, and it will open a new drawing template as well. Let's close those. We don't need them. And the last one is to right click on the start icon. Excuse me. So we right click on the start icon, then click new, left click new, and here we go, new drawing. So there you go, 5 ways in which you can open or start a new drawing. First one is to left click on our big A or the application. Second one is to hold down the Control key while you press N. Third one method is Q new. Fourth method is click sheet icon beside a big A. And the fifth and last is to right click on the icon. It's important to note that, well, it's worth noting that you could also press the plus sign right here to create another one. Okay. Hope you enjoy, guys. Please like and subscribe. If you have any question, feel free to put them in the comments.